3, the day after. Yep. Hey guys!
Hey Dad, look!
There's Kenny plowing out his driveway.
Dad, look, I packed in. So am I! So am I! I'm doing low.
You are too.
Yeah, look at that.
Holy cow. I wonder if this will even,
Right?
yeah.
Look over there.
Oh, there's an automatic, I guess. Yep, we're gonna get out of there. No problem.
And not even touch the bottom. Hope you're not going skiing, Dad.
Oh, they go skiing.
You can't. Can I?
No, you can't.
Why?
Joshua, what happened yesterday?
I didn't do it.
It broke.
Oh, can I
There's
use
just no
yours?
way to,
Can I use yours?
no.
Why?
You can't fit in my boot.
Yeah, I can. That way?
Nah.
Huh?
Nope. Here we are going out the driveway.
Oh, there. Walk there.
Ouch. Well, maybe it'll melt by Thursday and then I can go to work. Or school. Oh, Kev, how's it going?
Dive in!
You can almost dunk. See you.
Part of you.
Part of you.
What happened? What happened? Did you fall down? Yeah. Fall down. I can't get up.
Rose yard, and there's the picnic table.
Not in the face. Here, try and go over to it. Evan, why are you over there?
Mikey and Patty.
Evan! Let's go to the picnic table. Here, follow right there.
Josh, go get me a basketball.
Alright, it's halfway up the door.
You can dunk. I'm standing equal to the basket. Is it? Yeah. Oh yeah? There's the shed. On the west side of the shed, there's a big dune. Good thing not much of anything. Yeah, that's weird how the wind scoop things around. Let's see, if we head that way, we might be able to ski down to Papa's.
Be careful.
Hi, Kevy. Do you want to take
Yeah.
some?
My hands are off.
Hey, help yourself. Yeah, Josh, don't,
How'd it go?
Good. Windshield's got to be something below.
29 below.
29 below.
31 below on the radio.
Is Kenny giving up? Nope, he's just taking the smoke. What?
Can't open the garage door. Oh, look at we're almost up to the roof. Mikey's on the roof.
Mikey's on the roof. Yo, Mike. Goes Pat. Pat's not getting very far. Hey Randy, hang on to that tree. Josh, you stand up here, you can almost dunk. Go give me a basketball. Back of the house don't look too bad. Yeah. I doubt it. Looks like the sun's trying to come out. Nisha, you want to handle this? If you want to. I'm going to get some gloves on. My hands are freezing.
There you going, boys. Dad, you better dunk basketball.
Doing the old days.
The olden days. Dad! Let's see a slam dunk.
Wizard style. That bowl's dangerous. You have to go out for a pass. Go.
Well, I'm going up the duck lead.
Good. More slam.
Here, quarterback.
There we go.
Here comes the fumble. Here comes the fumble again.
Hang on to the ball.
You guys coming? I don't know.
Go there, go.
Go ask him. Right here. Wait, go ask
He's
him.
got to work like that.
He's going to see you and let you run.
Hey, almost. Hey, Lance.
Oh, you reach out with your hand
And touch someone.
Right.
Dad, reach out! Dad!
Yes. Get out of here.
Where's Erin? Tell her to pop her head up.
Told what? Told not to do that.
Okay.
Go! Hey, the flying Kevin!
Give it to me! Give it to me!
One, two, three, the flying bin!
Give it to me! Just want to do that.
One, two, three! Hey!
Do it to me again!
One, two, whoops, something ripped.
Yeah.
Bring them in and brought them out.
Wait a minute.
Where's he gonna dive off the porch?
You bring those shovels back. Wait a minute.
One.
Wait a minute.
Wait. Ready?
Okay. Catch the ball.
Okay, ready?
2, 3. Hey, what a grab! Almost.
Do that again.
Ready? One. Oh, this way.
No.
2, 3. Hey, there's a grab.
Do it again. Here.